Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna walk you through the university cooperation project that we have made with UIC in Zhuhai. In this video, we're going to cover 3 digital spaces with 3D models to provide you with an extraordinary digital experience. So here is an overview of the UIC campus. Let's select different tours. With the music playing, we are now at the Yayue Hall, which is a musical classroom. You can click to see the details of the building and the background of the instruments. And there you go, a 3D model is generated at the same time. From the scenes, you will know what we are going to cover right after it. It is an archery exhibition room as educational courses to show the students what does it actually look like and the background behind it. Still, introduction, 3D models, floor plans are included. Plenty of students have a passion while staying in their dorm to study, which can help them stay focused. So, let's see what it looks like.
很高兴能和大家分享我的宿舍生活。我的宿舍在 V28， 为双人间，房间里配有空调和独立的卫生间。
UIC has a lot of canteens in campus, which provide different students with different cuisine. You can tell how big it is based on the automatic measurement function. Last but not the least, the Learning Resources Entry, where students can share their info and acquire resources. Let's get into the tour. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give me a like, a thumb up, and subscribe if you like it. Appreciate that.